Understanding how to effectively convert and insert PDFs into presentation is an invaluable skill that can elevate your ability to share information. So in this video, let's delve into the art of harmonizing these two formats. So if your goal is to include a static snapshot of a PDF page in your presentation, treating it as an image is the way to go. It's relatively straightforward, and you can start it by opening your PDF, navigate to the desired page, then open the PowerPoint presentation, select the right slide for insertion, then after that, choose Insert, select Screenshot, then select the Open PDF window. Then click the PDF page image to insert into the slide. Now your PDF appears as a crisp, clear image, perfect for single-page visual integration. Another thing you can do is open PowerPoint, navigate to the slide where you want a PDF, go to Insert tab, click on Objects in the text group to open the dialog box. Now choose Create from File, then click Browse to find and select the intended PDF, then click OK. Now in the Insert Object dialog box, which is ideal for dynamic content, and the first page of your PDF will now appear on the slide. You have now successfully added more depth to your PowerPoint with the comprehensive information from your PDF. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.